I'm gonna go over how I made $50,000 in my first year only working part-time. If you are thinking about a life change and you want something more for you and your family, well, listen in. I'm gonna break down what happened to me over these last 3 years with starting a new career. So 3 years ago, I decided that I wanted to become a handyman because I was a real estate agent at the time and there was no good local handyman in my community that was able to handle what I needed them to do to fix inspections or small jobs that I had clients for. So with that said, I decided to partner up with my wife. She took over on the real estate side of things, and then I created our handyman business. My name is Robert, and I am the owner of Fixin' 5 Handyman Services located here in Central Florida. And I want to break it down how I turned a small business into a full career. And I want to make sure that you could pick this up and create your very own business yourself, no matter what state you're located in. Let me break down what I do. I help the community with simple problems that they might have with maintaining their own home. And that could be as simple as changing an air filter, cleaning out some gutters, or even pressure washing a driveway. Or you might be able to remodel an entire bathroom. But remember, you don't have to do it all. Pick your skill sets that you're confident with and run with it. You gotta have tools if you're gonna be a handyman, but you don't need a lot. You just need the core tools to do probably about 90% of the work that you're gonna be doing. So what's important to remember is that they don't need to be name brands. They don't need to be fancy, and you could pick them up either at your local hardware store or even find used ones for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So you might be wondering where my clients come from. Well, in the beginning, it's simple. It's family and friends and your close inner circle. Those are the people that you're gonna service, and then eventually you're gonna grow and get referrals from that. And then if you wanted to expand, there's plenty of reach on social media platforms that you could do for free. All right, this is another thing that you might be wondering about. Do I need a pickup truck? And the answer is absolutely not. In the beginning, you're gonna be doing those small handyman jobs that don't require a pickup truck. So don't use that as an excuse to start your own business. All right, remember also, when you first start your own business, don't jump into the deep end right away. Keep your job. Work nights and weekends. Fill it in on all possible free space until you're confident enough to go out on your own and become your own boss. So you made it this far? Well, I must have piqued your interest in becoming your own handyman. In this series, I'm gonna break down the pros and cons, what it's like to become your very own handyman. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on my next video.